We're going to get started talking to you about keyword research. Because you know what happens is, Malcolm, if you don't know what people are typing in the browser to find a home inspector in your local market, I mean, you're doomed, aren't you? And we're going to teach you how to get comments, and when you get comments, how to comment back so that Google loves you and these videos show up. You know, YouTube is the second largest search engine, and when you type in Chattanooga home inspection, you're up there, brother. So leveraging video both for new sales and for retaining your customers. But with social media, I think so many people don't really have a goal. I mean, is the goal to get leads? Is it to build brand engagement? Is it to get phone calls? I mean, is it to entertain? No, I know we do social media for you guys, but do you guys also post on social media on behalf of your company?
Sure.
Okay, that really works the best. We don't always have a way to know what's going on in your firm locally. Social media, we're going to teach you how to build a brand and how to put content on there that really gets engagement. And this is another place that you can engage your prior clients, not just new ones.